Prime Minister Narendra Modi will reach the United States for the first Quad in-person meeting with Australia, Japan and the US. Prime Minister Modi will also address the UN General Assembly in New York. The US visit will mark PM Modi's first foreign tour in 6 months and will also be the first time he will be visiting the country after President Joe Biden assumed office. The visit will begin with Prime Minister Modi landing in Washington late on September 22nd. The next morning, Prime Minister Modi will be meeting with the top CEOs of the US. According to reports, Prime Minister Modi is likely to meet with Apple chief Tim Cook and US Vice President Kamala Harris. On September 23rd, Prime Minister Modi is also scheduled to hold a bilateral meeting with his Australian and Japanese counterparts, Scott Morrison and Yoshihide Suga. President Joe Biden will later host the Quad leaders for dinner. The visit of the three leaders will follow the visit of British Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Prime Minister Modi was supposed to travel to the UK for the G7 summit and the India-UK bilateral talks, which was later cancelled in the wake of the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Mahant Narendra Giri, president of the Akhil Bharatiya Akhada Parishad, had recorded a video before his death. His disciple Nirbhay Dwivedi has said. He said that the video is with the police and the content is being investigated. Nirbhay Dwivedi also said that the content of the video was similar to what was found in the suicide note in which the seer had mentioned the names of the people allegedly troubling him. Prayagraj police said that the name of Anant Giri, one of the seer's most ardent disciples, was mentioned in the suicide notes, among others. Anant Giri has been detained from Haridwar with the help of Uttarakhand police, UP ADG Law and Order Prashant Kumar said. Kumar also added that Anand Giri is being brought to Prayagraj by a team of 10 UP police personnel. Prior to his detention, Anand Giri had said that Guruji was not the kind of person who would commit suicide. He was tortured over money. This is a huge conspiracy against him and an unbiased investigation should be conducted. Mahant Narendra Giri was found dead in his room at Baghambari Mutt in Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj on Monday evening. The 72-year-old went to his room after lunch but did not respond when disciples knocked on the door or called him on his cell phone repeatedly later in the evening. When the disciple broke the door open and entered the room, they found the seer hanging from the ceiling with a nylon rope. The UP police are viewing it as a prima facie case of suicide. On Monday, the United States announced its new international travel system as per which individuals who are fully vaccinated against COVID-19 can enter the country from early November onwards. This includes passengers from India. Fully vaccinated foreign nationals will have to provide proof of their vaccination before they can board a US-bound plane, White House officials informed. However, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in the US will determine which vaccines are acceptable for entry into the US. At the start of the pandemic early last year, former US President Donald Trump had imposed a ban on foreign travelers entering the country. The new system lifts the travel ban imposed on countries including India. The development of the new and much stricter international air travel system has been guided by science and public health. It also seeks to increase the safety of local Americans while also making international air travel safer. Allegations that Amazon's legal representatives bribed officials in India will be investigated, the government said today, stressing on a zero-tolerance policy towards corruption. The US e-commerce giant is also believed to have launched a probe into the allegations reported by US website. As far as the government of India is concerned, there is zero tolerance towards corruption of any kind in the government, the officials have said. They said reports did not clarify which era the alleged act took place and in which state. Amazon has been spending more than 8,500 crore rupees in legal fees. It's time to think where all it's going. The whole system seems to work on bribes and that is not the best of business practices, a government official said, lashing out at Amazon and urging it to punish those breaking the law. The officials also cited the public accounts of some Amazon companies which showed nearly 8,500 crore rupees in legal fees in 2 years. According to a report by the website The Morning Context, Amazon has launched an investigation against some of its legal representatives after a whistleblower flagged allegations of bribing Indian government officials. The company's senior corporate counsel has reportedly been sent on leave. A CIA officer who was traveling with agency director William Burns to India this month reported symptoms consistent with Havana syndrome, CNN and the New York Times reported on Monday. The victim, who was not identified, had to receive medical medical attention. Some 200 US officials and family members have been sickened by Havana syndrome, a mysterious set of ailments that include migraines, nausea, memory lapses, and dizziness. It was first reported by officials based in the US Embassy in Cuba in 2016. A CIA spokesperson said in a statement to Reuters, the agency does not comment on specific incidents or officers. Last month, Vice President Kamala Harris delayed her arrival to Hanoi for 3 hours after the US Embassy there said that someone had reported a health incident consistent with Havana syndrome.